Hello and welcome to vintageandantiquemarket.com. This is a quick tutorial on the bulk upload feature that we offer with our website. Makes things so much easier. If you're bringing stuff over from another online store like Etsy or eBay, you can get your hands on that CSV file. Let me tell you, if you have that, there's a super easy way to get your products over and up and ready to sell on vintageandantiquemarket.com. So the first step is go ahead and log in, get your seller dashboard all set up. So you've customized your storefront, you're adding your products, you've got your payment method, everything is ready to go. We're going to upload some products now. Okay. So if we go into our seller dashboard, we'll come down to products. And what we'll do from there is we're going to use our fabulous CSV file, right? And what this is it's the file that we get from another online store and it shows everything that we're selling, right? So we've got our images, we've got what we're selling, how we're selling it, and the most important part is the SKU, right? So the reason this is so important is because our system will identify this as unique to that product. So if you do not have a SKU system set up already and you are going to be selling heavily online, reach out to us. Let us help you out. Jenny's been in this space for over 10 years. And let me tell you, she's got all the tricks and the tips like on lock. So there's a couple of ways to reach out to us. First is in the top right corner of every page that you go to, you're going to see this contact us. Fill out the form, reach out, we'll take care of you. The second way is go ahead and bookmark us, right? Support at vintageandantiquemarket.com. Support at vintageandantiquemarket.com. Email us, let us help you out. Like, we want to be successful. We want you to be successful. We can be successful together. So reach out and we will absolutely help you out with this. So this is our file that we brought over from Etsy. And very importantly, we have our SKU system already in here. So we have that. We'll come in here to products and we're going to come to this fabulous import button right here, right? So we'll click on import and it's going to pull up a screen where we can grab our CSV file, right? The only kind that will load is CSV or text. If you don't know what it is, it's kind of like a tourniqueted Excel file. So we'll come in here and we're going to choose our file. I'm going to grab my Etsy listings. And there's a couple of options right here. So we've got our hybrid option, but we have the two main ones that you're going to choose from. Either you're going to be updating existing products, meaning it will grab that SKU and look for it in our system to update, whether it's inventory, price point, anything to that extent, or we're going to create new products only. And in this case, if that SKU is already existing in our system, it will not import it as a safeguard for you not to have the same thing listed several times. So we're going to do create new products only, and we're going to hit continue. This is going to pull all this information in from our CSV file. And there's a couple of things really important. I already mentioned the SKU. You want to make sure you have that unique setup for all of your items. The second thing is you want to kind of drop out some of the Etsy related verbiage that is sometimes encouraged and we don't need on ours. So you can come in here and you can do that. What it does now is it's pulled in the CSV file and we're just going to kind of glance at this and make sure, all right, so that's our name. That's what we want. Our description, that's what we want, right? Our price, right? Regular price, that's what we want. We're going to come down here and this one's pretty important, right? We're going to go to our image and it's going to say do not import. We want to import the image, right? You only want one. You don't need 9. But what we'll do is we'll come in and we will find images and we'll select that. Then we'll keep looking, right? So we got tags. That's what we wanted. Everything else is exactly like what we want. The system is intuitive. It will help you out in a lot of ways, but make sure that you are glancing at this just because it will make your life so much easier once they're already in the system. So once this is all done, we're going to click on this run the importer, right? And like I said, it has to be that CSV format. And when we're loading in, the great thing about it is everything's going to get loaded as a draft. So you don't have to worry about something going live. As soon as it hits our website, you're going to get a chance to look at it. You're going to get a chance to make sure everything's correct. And, in another tutorial, you will hear me talk about this in depth. You want to make sure you have some of your defaults set up before you pull this in. So once it comes in, it's going to tell you, hey, import's complete. We have 4 products that are imported from our CSV file that we loaded, and we can view these products. It's going to open up and it's going to show us all 4 items that we loaded. We can look at them, we can click on them, we can go in, do whatever we want. They're in as drafts. They will not go live until you save them and go live. And as we can see right here, I got my 4 drafts. So my 4 items that we just loaded, we bulk uploaded is right here. We got our 2 drills, we've got our Tonka truck, and we've got our fabulous tractor light. That is, in a sense, the bulk upload feature with vintageandantiquemarket.com. Thank you so much for checking us out. If you have any questions, I will say it again. In the top right of every page, you have this contact us. Reach in there, click that. It'll come directly to Jenny and I. We will be back with you. We will help you with any tips and tricks that you might need with this. Also, feel free to shoot us an email, support@vintageandantiquemarket.com. We'll get back with you on that as well. But this is the bulk upload with vintageandantiquemarket.com. Thank y'all so much and have a wonderful day.